Moorex Beginner's Crypto Course. Introduction. Cryptocurrency, also known as digital money, is a type of money that operates independently of a central bank and uses encryption techniques to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds. The crypto unit, also known as the coin, is the unit of account. It is a predetermined number of crypto tokens, also called coins. To record all transactions, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin use a public ledger known as the blockchain. Tokens come in a variety of forms, but the most well-known are Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and Litecoin, LTC. Without a central authority, the currency is based on code and is transferred and can be stored digitally. Currency is not controlled by a central government or bank because the system is decentralized. The currency is completely under the user's control. The currency, however, has limitations. Users must pay transaction fees in exchange for transferring crypto units. Transaction fees can range between a few cents and a few dollars. Users must also store a certain amount of crypto units in a secure wallet in order to send payments called a wallet. Module 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of global digital money that can be used to purchase goods and services. You may also trade and invest in cryptocurrencies, but they are not for the faint of heart due to their high volatility. This is one of the primary reasons behind the popularity of cryptocurrencies. There are certain benefits to a decentralized financial system that does not rely on banks or prominent entities. It can be done faster, cheaply, more fairly, and transparently. However, this is merely a vision for the time being, yet there are still certain obstacles that cryptocurrencies must overcome. So, what distinguishes cryptocurrencies from traditional currencies such as the dollar or euro? Trust is a fundamental prerequisite. The term crypto refers to the cryptographic procedures utilized in the creation of cryptocurrencies. These strategies ensure that cryptocurrency transactions may be handled safely. Furthermore, these strategies enable transactions to be carried out without the involvement of a third party, such as a bank. Lesson 1. How cryptocurrency started and who invented them. In the early 1990s, a group of programmers and cryptographers used email to debate strategies to guarantee privacy in the digital environment. They dubbed themselves cypherpunks after the word cyberpunk. Adam Back, a well-known representative, hails from the United Kingdom. He created the first proof-of-work mechanism, which is the foundation of cryptocurrencies. Simply put, the sending computer demonstrates that a particular level of computational work was necessary for the departing message. The proof-of-work mechanism was designed to prevent spam in the first place. Satoshi suggested the concept of a cryptocurrency on the cryptography mailing list on November 1, 2008. He referred to them as Bitcoin. Only 2 months later, on January 12, 2009, the first Bitcoin transaction was performed. Since 2011, the creator has been gradually withdrawing and delegating the future development of his concept to others. At present, the Bitcoin network has millions of users worldwide. Lesson 2. What is a blockchain? A blockchain enables tamper-proof information transmission by utilizing a decentralized database shared by many participants, hence excluding copies. A database is frequently referred to as a distributed ledger or ledger. It is kept on multiple computers in a peer-to-peer network, with each new node inheriting a complete copy of the blockchain and being tasked with validating and recording transactions. Blockchains are thus safe, always up-to-date directories in which digital transactions may be logged accurately and in a form that participants can understand. They are continually being historically and linearly enlarged, similar to a chain in which all of the computers participating are linked as links, and are always being expanded to accommodate new links. The blockchain technology concept was created inside the context of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin as a web-based, decentralized, public accounting system of all Bitcoin transactions ever made. The Bitcoin blockchain is continually expanding as fresh blocks of newly completed Bitcoin transactions are uploaded on a regular basis. Types of blockchains. 1. Public or permissionless blockchains. One of the most popular are public or permissionless blockchains, which serve as the foundation for digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other altcoins. In a public blockchain, anybody may join and contribute to the network by participating, performing transactions, and joining the group of validators. Anyone from anywhere may participate to network administration by using the internet or an internet connection. In a public blockchain, each member can be a node operator, keeping a copy of the network's transactions. Two. Private blockchain. Private blockchains are ones that are intended to function in a more restricted or closed environment. Private blockchains flourish under a permissive environment in which access to transactions and entry validation is controlled. Private blockchain networks are typically more centralized than public blockchain networks. Private blockchains are great for businesses looking to leverage blockchain technology to simplify internal processes. The organization establishes the network's accessibility criteria for performing transactions and validating the transactions that occur in the chain. Private blockchains are also appropriate for groups of businesses who share comparable data in their daily operations. 3. Consortium blockchain or federated blockchains. A consortium blockchain, also known as a federated blockchain, is one that is administered by two or more individuals, associations, businesses, or commercial entities. Because of this, we may define a consortium blockchain as a semi-decentralized network that includes both public and private blockchain operations. As a result, certain dates are open to all participants while others are limited. Consortium blockchains, also known as federated blockchains, reach consensus by a specified number of nodes. It should be observed that the presence of a public aspect in consortium blockchains does not imply that they are less of a decentralized network. 4. Hybrid blockchain. A hybrid blockchain also takes advantage of the features of both private and public blockchain networks. At first look, hybrid blockchains appear to be quite similar to consortium blockchains, however there is a significant distinction between the two. In contrast to consortium blockchains, which have numerous members that collaborate to maintain the network, a hybrid blockchain might have a network administrator with a single business. Hybrid blockchains are best used when a corporation needs access to certain of its data while keeping others private for internal usage. As determined by the system's owner, the hybrid blockchain multi-chain concept can bring several benefits. Depending on how the rules are created, transparency might be open or closed. Top blockchains. 1. Ethereum. Ethereum, which was introduced in 2013, is one of the oldest and most established blockchain systems. It offers a genuinely decentralized blockchain network similar to the Bitcoin blockchain network. Slow processing times and greater transaction processing charges are two of its major flaws when compared to competing platforms. It has its own cryptocurrency, Ether, in addition to its position as a blockchain platform that enables corporate apps. 2. IBM blockchain. IBM blockchain is a private, decentralized blockchain network that has proven to be the most popular among business clients that are less risk-averse. The IBM Blockchain Developer Tool was created to be versatile, useful, and adaptable. IBM has also invested in developing a user-friendly interface to make important processes like configuring, testing, and rapidly deploying smart contracts easier. Three. Hyperledger Fabric. It was designed from the bottom up for corporate distributed ledger applications. It features a diverse ecosystem of components that can be integrated into a modular design. It performs well in closed blockchain implementations, improving security and speed. It also provides an open smart contract paradigm that can accommodate a variety of data formats, including account and unspent transaction output (UTXO) models. Hyperledger Fabric may further increase data privacy by isolating transactions in channels or permitting the exchange of private data in private data collections on a need-to-know basis. According to its supporters, it also enables high-speed transactions with minimal finality and confirmation latency. Four. Corda R3. There is substantial controversy about whether R3 Corda is a blockchain or another sort of distributed ledger. It employs a new consensus method in which transactions are cryptographically linked, but no multiple transactions are periodically batched into block. According to the official Corda website, it is both a blockchain and not a blockchain. One of the most significant advantages of this system is that all transactions are handled in real time, which can increase performance when compared to other forms of blockchains. Lesson 3. Types of cryptos. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin was invented in 2009 by someone who went under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto and using blockchain technology. It was designed to be used as a payment mechanism free of government control, transfer delays, and transaction costs. Bitcoin is now mostly utilized as a form of investment. 2. Ethereum. Following Bitcoin, Ethereum has the greatest market capitalization among the many forms of cryptocurrency. Its chain enables you to construct blockchain-based apps as well as your own specific coins. The Ether is in charge of providing the fuel required to process the network's decentralized apps. 3. Dogecoin. It was built using a modified Bitcoin protocol in order to reach more people than BTC. There are now 128.2 billion Doges in circulation, with each currency divisible into 100 million decimal places. This coin has the virtue of being inexpensive. 4. BNB, Binance Coin. Binance Coin, BNB, is a cryptocurrency issued by Binance, the world's largest exchange. Initially employed as a utility token tied to the exchange's functioning, it is now a full-fledged mode of payment.